Hey everybody, today we're going to be touring the Real Hotel in Acuña, Coahuila. Here's the hotel exterior, and there's the parking lot, and it's a beautiful day here in Acuña, so we're going to do a hotel tour of this place right now. And right there's the main entrance. There's the Real logo right there, see? There's where you get your hand sanitizer. Right there's a trash bin. To do that, I gotta do it with the pedal, but it's broken. Alright, if you come in here, you are greeted with the beautiful lobby. And right there's the sofa. Right there's the front desk. And this hotel is being remodeled, so possibly want to read that. And right there are the two computers. Here are two Acer computers, which they're running. Let's see, and right there is the telephone. And it's running Windows 10. And here's here's just a little shop, a little dress shop right here. And there's the computer, which is running Windows 10. See that? The monitor is off. And there's hand sanitizer. And there's the restaurant. See that? There's a restaurant, and right there's the hand sanitizer as well. Let's go over here and check something else. Just gonna point down the camera. Let's see. Here is the Atrium. So here's the place where to sit down, and in there's the Plaza Cafe. So, and right there's the second floor, and let's go check something else now. And right here is the MPE. Right here, and here on the first floor is the outdoor hallway, but the other floors are the indoor hallways. And over here is right there is the room numbers for the first floor and all the floors as well. And out here is the parking lot. And here's the underground parking garage, aka the parking lot. And look at the mirror. Hey! And right there's the beautiful flower. And right here's the MPE. And right there are the Otis Gen 2 elevators, which we will look at that in just a sec. And right here's hand sanitizer. Let me get some on. Poured a lot, but it's all right. And that's for employees only. And out here's the other side of the garage. And right there's the other elevator. But we haven't. Right there's the other Otis Gen 2 elevator, which is a service elevator, I believe. But I don't know what it is. So, anyways, why don't we check out these elevators? And this thing is standing on pickup, so look at the mirror. Hello. Let's go up to 8. This hotel is being remodeled. Here at 8. Now on the S. Look how the 8th floor is being remodeled. Look at everything. Look at that. See that? And the elevator just left. Everything's being remodeled. See that? All right, let's go back, and I like these new walls. Let's go down. Yeah, that car just left. And here's your view outside of Acuña. I like this view a lot. And right there's way down there's the Mexican flag. And here we got this car here. All right, down the S. I like that green light. I don't feel like riding the other elevator. So after this, we're gonna tour the hotel tour. Here at we're gonna do the room tour, which is the basement. See? Let's go up to 4 and do the room tour. Let's get your cab view. Your nice Otis Gen 2 elevator. These elevators are installed in 2007. And right here are the fixtures. And here we're going up to the 4th floor, which is where my room is. Here we're at 4. All right. And right there is the Otis nameplate. All right. There it goes. And let's look over here. Right there's the fire hose. And then here's the employees only room. I think it's the fire exit, but I'm not so sure. And out here's the pool. Let's see. I might have to use the key card after I get in. But the pool is out there, and right there are the public restrooms. So I'm not gonna go out there because I might get locked outside, and I need the key card to get locked. Because I need to get in with the key card and I don't have it right now. Anyways, the moment you all been waiting for. Here's the room 409. We're gonna pause it here and do the room tour. All right, this is going to be the hotel room tour here at the Villa Real in Acuña, Coahuila. And we're here in room 409 and check out the room now. And here's the key card here. All right, let's go in. Door shut. And right there is the door lock. And right there's the little hole. And if you come in here, you have a nice room with 2 beds. Let's cut the lights on. There we go. And I do like these beds. They're nice. And there's the hotel telephone. And here's the lamp. And let me try turning that on if I can. Yep, we got some light. And here's the RCA flat screen TV with the remote right there. And right here you have the, don't know what kind of brand the air conditioner this is. Let's take a look out here. Let me get the curtain open. I'm sorry, people. Oh, I am so sorry. All right. And out here is the pool. And there's no water in it. And here's the nice day here in Acuña. And the pool is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So, anyways, let's check out the bathroom now. And by the way, there's a safe right there. And look at the mirror. Hello. And check out the bathroom now. And here's the bathroom here. And look in the mirror. Hey, here's your sink. It's a Sterling. There are your bottle of waters. There's soap and shampoo right there. And here's the open air closet with the iron and ironing board. And right there are the hooks. And then here's the bathroom. Let's check it out. Put that fan on. And right in here is the commode, which is a habitat. And there's the phone right next to the commode. And in here you have the shower. And there's the shower head. And right there are the fixtures. Let's turn on the shower. Let me see if I can. Yeah. There it is. And right there are the towels. So, anyways, what you guys think of this room? You like it? I really like this room a lot. So, anyways, hope you all enjoyed the room tour here at the Villa Real in Acuña, Mexico, room 409. And that's going to be it. Thank you all for watching, and that's it.